Hello students, so today we are taking class 10 NCERT exercise 4.3 math subject. We are taking question number 4 and that is given the sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So let us take his present age is what? X, because we are not knowing his present age. So let the present age of Rahman is equal to X. Therefore, 3 years ago, age of Rahman equal to X minus 3. Ago means before only, and 5 years from now his age will be X plus 5. So as per question APQ, question is saying the sum means plus, reciprocal means upon, that is what? 1 upon X minus 3 and 1 upon X plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. So let us take the LCM also. This will be X minus 3, this will be X plus 5, X minus 3 will cancel out, this will be X plus 5 plus X plus 5 by will cancel out, X minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So this will be what? 2X plus 2 and this 3 on cross multiplying is equal to, this will be X minus 3 into X plus 5 into 1. No need of writing 1. So this will be what? 3 to the 6X plus 6 is equal to X square plus 5X minus 3X minus 15. So this will be 6X plus 6 is equal to X square plus 2X minus 15. Therefore, X square plus 2X and this plus 6X as will go move that side, as will be, this will be minus 6X minus 15, this plus 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So X square plus 2X minus 6X minus 4X minus 21 is equal to 0. Now find the two numbers on which multiplying the multiplication will be minus 21 and on adding this will be minus 4. So 7 and 3. 7 3s are 21 and 7 minus 3 is what? 4. But here minus sign is there. Multiplication is negative. In previous video I said if your multiplication is negative, it means both the number must be of different sign, and which one will be greater or which one will be smaller, this sign will decide. Here minus is there, it means negative will be greater. So this will be what? Therefore implies X square minus 7X plus 3X minus 21 is equal to 0. So X will be common. So X minus 7 will be there, plus 3 will be common. X minus 7 is equal to 0. So X minus 7 and X plus 3 is equal to 0. So X minus 7 equal to 0, X equal to 7, and here X plus 3 is equal to 0, X equal to minus 3. As you know, age cannot be negative, so neglected. This minus will be neglected. Therefore, present age of Rahman is what? Rahman is 7 years. So this will be your answer. Now question number 6, that is the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. Find the sides of the field. It means a rectangular field is there. Suppose this is a rectangular field and diagonal. Rectangular, as you know, this will be 90 degree and diagonal is 60 more than its shorter side. So let the shorter side is X and longer side is 30 more than its shorter side. So this will be your length of the sides. This will be your length of the sides. So let the shorter side is what? Let the length of shorter side is equal to x. Therefore length of diagonal is equal to x plus 60 and length of longer side is equal to x plus 30. So this is what? This is right angle triangle. And study only I told you in right angle triangle what generally what we are using? We are using Pythagoras theorem. So by using Pythagoras theorem, what? X plus 60 opposite to 90 degree is what? Hypotenuse. So x plus 60 h square is equal to p square plus b square. This will be a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to, here also x square plus 2ab plus b square. So this will be what? X square. This will be minus 2x square. So plus 1 20x. This will be minus 60x. So plus 3 600 minus 900 is equal to 0. So this will be minus x square plus 60x and this will be plus 2700 is equal to 0. So take minus as common, x square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. So find out the two number on which multiplying minus 27, you forget about 100, on multiplication minus 27. So and this should be, forget about 0, minus 6. Again multiplication is negative, both the numbers must be of different sign, and here minus is there, it means the greater one will be negative 1. So minus 9 plus 3, minus 9 3, 9 3 is a 27, minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. So what we will write? We will write x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. So x will be common, x minus 90 plus 30 will be common, x minus 90 is equal to 0. So x minus 90 and x plus 30 is equal to 0. So x minus 90 is equal to 0, x equal to 90 and x plus 30 is equal to 0, x equal to minus 30. Again this will be neglected. Why? Because length cannot be negative. Length cannot be negative. So this will be what? Next step, x we got. It means shorter side we got 90 centimeter or meter, whatever lengths are given, unit 90 unit, meter is given 90 meter. Now the other two side, or that will be diagonal, length of diagonal is equal to x plus 60 means 90 plus 60, that is 150 meter, and length of longer side x plus 30, it means 90 plus 30 120 meter, and length of shorter side x, that is 90 meter. So this will be your final answer. Question number 11, that is sum of the area of the two square is 468 meter. So this is suppose first square and this is suppose second square. It does not look like square, just assume both are squares. So sum of, so this is suppose of one square with side x and other square is with side y. So as you know, area of square is what? Side square. So this will be x square and sum. It means x square plus y square is equal to 468 meter square. 468 meter square. And the very next condition is given, that is if the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter. If the difference of their perimeter, what will be perimeter? This is area. Perimeter of this will be 4x. This is area. Perimeter will be 4y. So difference of their, this will be what? 24. So what should be? So let the area of one square is equal to x square and area of second square or other square is equal to y square. So APQ, difference of their perimeter 4x minus 4y is equal to 24. 4x plus 4x minus 4y is 4 will be common, so x minus y will be 6. So x equal to 6 plus y. We got the value of x is equal to 6 plus y. Now what is given? Now sum of the square of the area, x square plus y square is equal to 468. So in place of x, what we can write? We can write 6 plus y, and this is whole square, plus y square is equal to 468. So a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square plus y square 468. So this will be what? 2y square plus 12y plus 36 and minus 468 is equal to 0. So this will be 2y square plus 12y. It will subtract. So this will give minus 432 is equal to 0. We can take 2 as a common. So y square plus 6y minus 216 is. Again multiplication is what? Negative. But here plus sign is there. It means the greater number will be with positive sign. So on multiplication 216 and on adding or subtracting them, their result should be plus 6. So this will be 18 and 12. 18 10 ja 180 and then 18 2 ja 36. 180 and 36 gives 216. So this will be what? Y square plus 18y minus 12y minus 216 is equal to 0. So y will be common. Y plus 18 minus 12 will be common. Y plus 18 is equal to 0. So y plus 18 and y minus 12 is equal to 0. So y equal to minus 18 and y equal to plus 12. This will be neglected again. Why this will be neglected? This will be neglected because length cannot be negative. Length cannot be negative. Therefore, question was asking find the sides of the two squares. So one side will be 12. One side will be 12. Therefore, side of square will be 12. Side of square will be 12. That is value of y, and x, value of x will be 12 and x is what? 6 plus y. 6 plus value of y is what? 12. So and 18 and 18. So one square is of 12 centimeter and other square is of 18 centimeter, means its side should be 12 and 18. Thank you.